To me, the female shape is the most beautiful on earth, and that's why I'm actually a photographer. I think that I really like to capture these curves of the female body. To realize the luminous aura, which is the brief of this campaign, we are using a lot of backlight and a little softer front light, make the girl stand out in the picture to see her womanly shapes.
It's just the highlight of the holidays or that special occasion that you feel kind of like golden, like a star. You can really, feel sexy in the moment that you're wearing it.